how you can get vouchers of Vivamax. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So, the first thing you'll want to do is open up a web browser. After you open a web browser, just search for JRFU Mart. After you do that, here tap on the top link, and after it loads up, go to the search bar and search for Vivamax. After you search for Vivamax, you will see that there are a few options right here. Now just select the one that you want, and after you select the one that you want, you will see that you will need an account of Vivamax, already subscribed to it. And as you can see right here, according to the price, this is a 1 month subscription plan, and you can use this to stream in Vivamax. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye, take care.